Higmoto e-governance system enhancing municipal transaction for smart data analytics. Imagine living in a small municipality where accessing essential services feels, feels like navigating a bureaucratic maze. Long lines, confusing paperwork, and lack of transparency make getting a permit, applying for assistance or reporting concerns a frustrating experience. This is the reality for many residents in Higmoto. The current municipal system is inefficient, low, and lack of tools that truly understand the needs of the community. That's where our capstone project comes in. We are developing user-friendly e-governance system for Higmoto powered by smart data analytics. This system will empower citizens, boost efficiency, drive informed decision services based on real-time, increase transparency. Our governance system will transform how Higmoto operates, making it a model municipality for smart governance in the Philippines. It's a smarter, more connected, and more inclusive Higmoto for everyone. Join us on this journey to empower residents, build a more efficient and responsive Higmoto, and make a real difference in the lives of the community. Moving forward or moving towards a smarter and more connected futures.